How to buy Amazon gift card online.
Hey everybody, this is Nina from Korea Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.amazon.com. Once you land onto its official website, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now from here,
At the top search bar, type in gift cards.
scroll below and choose your gift card. Now at this page, choose your quantity of how many gift cards that you want to buy. Click on Add to Cart. Again, click on Proceed to checkout. Finally, at this page, enter your shipping address, your country, your first name, your phone number, and your city. Likewise, once you fill out all this information, you will land onto payment method. Follow the on-screen prompt and then you will be able to buy gift card online. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe for more.